Welcome to English Love 1. In today's lesson, we are going to take you from zero English speaking ability to fluent communication skills using a simple, practical, and natural method. This is not about memorizing grammar rules. This is about learning how to think, speak, and express yourself naturally in English. So listen carefully, repeat aloud, and focus on how real spoken English actually flows. Before we start, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss daily English speaking practice lessons that will help you improve step by step. Becoming fluent in English is not something that happens overnight. It is a gradual process that requires consistency, patience, and daily practice. When you start from zero, your main goal is not perfection. Your main goal is communication. You should focus on expressing ideas, even if your sentences are not perfect. Because fluency is built through practice, not theory. Many learners make the mistake of trying to learn everything at once. They focus too much on grammar rules and vocabulary lists. But real fluency comes from speaking and thinking in English daily. The first and most important step in your journey from zero to fluent is learning how to think in English. At the beginning, your brain is used to your native language. So every thought must be translated before speaking. This creates delay and hesitation. To fix this, you must slowly train your brain to think directly in English. For example, I am learning something new today. I want to improve my speaking skills. I am practicing English every day. These simple thoughts should become automatic. Even if you are at zero level, you must start speaking from day one. Do not wait for perfect grammar. Do not wait for perfect vocabulary. Just start speaking simple sentences out loud. For example, I am a beginner in English. I want to learn English speaking. I am trying to improve every day. When you repeat these sentences daily, your brain slowly adapts. One of the biggest problems learners face is fear. Fear of making mistakes, fear of speaking incorrectly, fear of embarrassment. But the truth is simple. Mistakes are part of learning. Every fluent speaker once made thousands of mistakes. So you must accept mistakes as progress, not failure. The more you speak, the more confident you become. To move from zero to fluent, you must expose yourself to English every day. This includes listening to English content, repeating sentences, speaking about your daily life, thinking in English. Even 15 minutes daily is powerful if done consistently. At the beginning, learners focus only on words. But fluency is not about words. It is about sentences. Instead of memorizing isolated vocabulary, you should learn full sentences. For example, I am going to school. I am eating breakfast. I am working on my English skills. Full sentences help your brain understand structure naturally. As you progress, your sentences should become longer and more natural. For example, instead of saying, I study English, you can say, I have been studying English regularly because I want to improve my communication skills and become more confident in speaking with others. This is the transition from basic to advanced speaking. Natural flow means speaking without long pauses. It means connecting your ideas smoothly. For example, I started learning English a few months ago, and since then, I have been practicing every day because I want to become fluent and confident in real-life conversations. This kind of flow sounds natural and advanced. Fluency does not come from one day of practice. It comes from consistent effort. If you practice a little every day, your brain gradually adapts. You start thinking faster. You start speaking more clearly, and eventually English becomes natural for you. Something important begins to happen. You stop translating. You start thinking in English. You begin to form sentences automatically. This is the beginning of fluency. Now that you have started thinking in English and forming simple sentences, the next step is communication. At this stage, your focus should not be perfection. Your focus should be expression. You must learn how to explain ideas in a natural way, even if your grammar is not perfect. For example, I am trying to improve my English speaking skills every day because I want to become more confident and able to communicate with different people in real-life situations. This type of speaking builds fluency step by step. Fluent English is not about short answers. It is about expanding your ideas. Instead of saying simple sentences, you add details, reasons, and explanations. For example, instead of saying, "I like learning English," you say, "I really enjoy learning English because it helps me understand new ideas, communicate with people from different countries, and improve my future opportunities." This is how advanced speaking develops. Now imagine real situations in daily life. When someone asks about your day, instead of short answers, you respond naturally. For example, "My day has been quite productive. I spent some time focusing on my personal goals, especially improving my English speaking skills. I also tried to practice speaking out loud and thinking in English throughout the day." This is real-life English communication. At this stage, you must stop thinking in single words. You should start thinking in full ideas. For example, "I want to improve my English speaking skills so I can communicate more confidently and express my thoughts clearly in any situation." This is a complete thought, not just a word. 15. Building natural confidence. Confidence does not come from knowing everything. It comes from using what you know. Even if your English is not perfect, you must continue speaking. Because fluency grows through practice, not hesitation. Every time you speak, you become better. To improve faster, you should use a simple technique. Take one idea and expand it. For example, idea: "I study English expansion." I study English every day because I want to improve my speaking skills and become more confident in real-life communication situations. This technique is very powerful for fluency. Your brain learns through repetition. If you repeat English daily, your mind starts adapting. Slowly, you stop translating. You start reacting in English. You begin to speak automatically without thinking too much. This is real fluency development. Hesitation is the biggest enemy of fluency. When you hesitate, you lose flow. To overcome hesitation, you must practice speaking out loud every day. Even if you are alone, speak English. Describe your surroundings. Describe your actions. Describe your thoughts. Fluency is not a sudden change. It is a step-by-step process. First, you learn simple sentences. Then you expand ideas. Then you start thinking in English. Then you speak naturally. And finally, English becomes part of your daily life. At this point, you are no longer a beginner. You are moving into advanced speaking ability. You can express ideas, explain opinions, and describe situations in English. This is the real transformation from zero to fluent. Your English is no longer basic. You are now entering real fluency development. This means you can express your ideas without stopping too much, and you can explain thoughts in a natural flow. You are not translating anymore. You are thinking directly in English. For example, I have been practicing English consistently, and I can now express my ideas more clearly and confidently than before. This is real progress. Natural speakers do not think in short words. They think in ideas, and they connect those ideas smoothly. For example, I started learning English with very little knowledge, but over time I improved by practicing daily, listening carefully, and trying to speak even when I made mistakes. This kind of speaking is natural and fluent. Now imagine you are in a real conversation. You are not memorizing sentences. You are creating them in real time. For example, I think learning English is very important because it helps people communicate globally, understand different cultures, and improve their personal and professional lives. This is advanced communication. Translation should disappear. You should not think in your native language anymore. Instead, your brain should directly produce English thoughts. For example, I need to focus on my goals. I want to improve my speaking skills. I am becoming more confident every day. These thoughts should come automatically. Fluency requires courage. You must speak even when you are not perfect. You must continue even when you make mistakes. Because mistakes are not failure. Mistakes are part of learning. Every fluent speaker was once a beginner. To maintain fluency, you must continue daily practice. Even after improvement, you should. Listen to English daily, speak out loud every day. Think in English regularly. Repeat advanced sentences. Consistency is the key to mastery. Now you should be able to expand ideas naturally. For example, I believe that continuous practice is the most effective way to learn English because it helps develop natural thinking, improves confidence, and builds strong communication skills over time. This is advanced English speaking. Something powerful happens. English becomes part of your thinking. You no longer translate. You no longer hesitate. You simply speak. This is the transformation from zero to fluent. Fluency is not about speed. It is about clarity. It is about expressing your thoughts naturally and confidently. If your message is clear, your English is successful. If you follow this process step by step, you will transform your English speaking ability completely. Thank you for watching English Love 1. Your journey from zero to fluent has already started. See you in the next lesson.